Here is how to block someone on Discord mobile application. So first, go ahead and launch your Discord application on your mobile device, log into your specific account and find the person that you want to block. You can go to the messages section or you can tap on this U icon from the bottom right corner. Then scroll down, select friends and find a friend that you want to block. Go to their profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, and there you'll get the option of block, which is highlighted in red color. Go ahead and select it and tap on block again to confirm, and you'll be done. In the case if you want to unblock them later, when you change your mind, you can tap on their three dots in the top right corner and select unblock again, and they'll be unblocked, but they will no longer be friends on your Discord and you have to add them again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.